Welcome to our ultimate guide on epic road trips, snacks, and meals. If you're gearing up for an adventure on the open road, you know that tasty snacks and satisfying meals can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore a variety of budget-friendly options that are not only delicious, but also easy to pack and enjoy while driving. Whether you're a seasoned road tripper or planning your first journey, we'll share creative ideas that will keep your energy up and your taste buds happy. From savory bites to sweet treats, we'll highlight the importance of having the right fuel for those long stretches of highway. So buckle up and get ready to discover the best snacks and meals for your next epic road trip. Essential road trip snacks. When hitting the road, having the right snacks on hand can make your journey enjoyable and stress-free. Must-have options include trail mix, granola bars, and beef jerky. These snacks are not only nutritious but also satisfying, providing the energy you need for those long drives. Portability is key, so look for mess-free options that can be easily packed in resealable bags or containers. To keep your budget in check, consider making your own trail mix by combining nuts, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of chocolate. Granola bars can be bought in bulk or homemade for a personal touch. Beef jerky is a great protein-packed choice, and you can often find budget-friendly brands at local stores. With these essentials, you'll be ready for any adventure. Healthy meal options. When it comes to road trips, having healthy meal options prepared ahead of time can make all the difference. Consider meals like quinoa salad, wraps, and pasta salads that are not only easy to make but also store well in containers. Meal prepping is a fantastic way to save time and money, allowing you to enjoy nutritious meals without the hassle of cooking on the road. Plus, it helps you avoid unhealthy fast food stops. Incorporating fresh ingredients like colorful veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains ensures a balanced diet while traveling. By planning your meals in advance, you can stay energized and satisfied throughout your journey, making your road trip not just fun, but also healthy and fulfilling. Sweet treats for the road. No road trip is complete without some delicious sweet treats to satisfy those cravings along the way. Consider packing options like homemade cookies, fruit leather, and chocolate-covered pretzels. These snacks not only bring joy, but can also be made on a budget, allowing you to indulge without breaking the bank. Homemade cookies are easy to whip up and can be customized with your favorite flavors. Fruit leather is a fun, chewy option that's both tasty and healthy. For a delightful crunch, chocolate-covered pretzels offer the perfect sweet and salty combination. These easy-to-make desserts can be prepared in advance, ensuring you have a delightful stash of treats to enjoy during your journey. So get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth while on the road. Beverages to keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated during long drives is essential for maintaining energy and focus, so having refreshing drink options on hand is a must. Consider beverages like infused water, iced tea, and homemade smoothies. Infused water is a simple way to add flavor. Just toss in some fruits and herbs for a refreshing twist. Iced tea can be brewed in advance and stored in a thermos, providing a cool and invigorating drink. Homemade smoothies are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Blend your favorite fruits and veggies, then store them in spill-proof containers. To avoid messes, use secure lids and keep drinks in an upright position in your cooler. With these hydrating options, you'll stay refreshed and ready for the adventure ahead. Local food stops to explore. One of the best parts of a road trip is discovering local eateries and food trucks along your route. Not only do you get to enjoy unique meals, but you also support local businesses, which is a win-win. Each region has its specialties, so keep an eye out for iconic dishes like barbecue in the South, clam chowder in New England, or fish tacos on the West Coast. To find budget-friendly food stops, utilize apps like Yelp or TripAdvisor, and check social media platforms for recommendations from locals. Don't hesitate to ask for suggestions from fellow travelers or locals you meet along the way. Embrace the culinary adventure and savor the flavors of each destination as you explore. Packing tips for snacks and meals. Keeping your snacks and meals fresh and organized is key to a successful road trip. Start by using coolers and insulated bags for perishables like fruits, veggies, and dairy products. This will help maintain their freshness throughout your journey. For easy access, organize your snacks in clear containers or resealable bags, labeling them for quick identification. This way, you won't have to dig through a messy cooler to find what you want. Additionally, planning your meals and snacks ahead of time can save you from last-minute purchases and unhealthy choices on the road. By preparing in advance, you'll ensure you have everything you need, making your trip more enjoyable and stress-free. In this video, we've explored the essentials of planning delicious and budget-friendly snacks and meals for your road trip. Key takeaways include the importance of variety, from healthy options like quinoa salads to sweet treats like homemade cookies. Remember, planning ahead not only saves you time and money, but also enhances your travel experience. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated on more great content. We'd love to hear from you, so share your own road trip snack ideas in the comments below. Be sure to check out our related videos for even more inspiration on making your next adventure unforgettable. Safe travels and happy snacking.